are pleased to show you the 2023 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 3,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, hill descent control, electronic stability control, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist, traction control. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, heated front seats, security system, MP3 player, low tire pressure warning, cruise control. Come take a test drive today.